guys, we wanted to give you a quick overview of the brand new Katana Connect app, currently available for desktop and soon to be available on Android and iPhone platforms. This app is intended to solve two major issues, one being transparency and communication, and the second being quick and easy access to information. So let me go ahead and get started here by logging into our dummy account. And we're going to go ahead and show you some of the key features. It's going to be a quick overview. So when you first log in, you see a list of any equipment that you currently own. So in this case, this user has two machines. Both are Pro printers and of course a module to go along with each one of them. One of the things you may need is support for your machine. So you can get support for any individual system that you own through this interface. And you'll notice if you click on a module, you're going to get module specific options. For instance, this module is currently covered under our extended protection plan, so you can actually request a module swap directly within this app. You can also track the status, etc. Now you can tell this module is covered because it has the blue shield. This module down here is not covered, so when you go to the support submenu, it gives you the option to add protection. So in this case, we're going to hop over and take a look at our module protection plan interface. And we currently have one module that is protected with the extended insurance, and we have a little bit of information about that, and one that is not. So we can come in here and we're working on incorporating the ability to sign up for protection directly within the app. We should have this wrapped up in the next couple days. But in the meantime, if you are covered, if you are protected, you can request a swap directly within the app. Of course, it's a good idea to give a full description of what your issue is. In this case, we're going to keep it simple. It is broken. And we'll go ahead and submit that. Our module swap request has been received. And now we see the status is swap requested. And the button changes to processing so we can actually view the real-time log as work is done on your module or as a replacement is shipped out. You'll be able to track it every step of the way. So we're working on similar functionality for pending orders. If there's an order in the queue for any equipment, currently the expected ship and the carrier information is not plugged in, but we should have that soon. You'll also be able to track your available store credit, view your credit history, where you've applied it to what orders, etc. And of course you can manipulate your profile information. So we're going to go back here to the module swap, or actually let's go back to our equipment, and let's say we need support. We're going to go to the knowledge base. Now this plugs directly in with the full knowledge base in our member area of our website, so anything available there is available within the app. If you click on any of the articles, a built-in browser will pop up and you get full access to the information very quickly. This is going to make it a lot easier to find the information. You could also search and filter by category. We're working on adding a lot more ways to aggregate and browse this information, but for now this will give you access to everything in the member area of the website without actually having to log in on a browser. In addition to this support option, we also of course have the ability to view the print archive log, and this is something that we've been working on for a long time, and as people start to use it, it will become the most useful tool in this entire app. So any user is able to upload an image of something that they've printed, and they can actually enter in all the various information about how it was printed, what inks were used, what type of product it is, let's see, pre-treatment volume, RIP settings, and any notes that they feel are important that might help you recreate their results. As more and more people add this type of information to this organic log, the print archive is going to be able to allow you to basically select, from any category or product or brand, color, and you'll be able to get a collection of images of stuff other people have printed on those exact same products, and you could even filter by what type of inks were used, what type of pre-treatment, etc. This way, it gives you a starting point when trying to print on stuff that you may never have printed on before. So for now, we're going to hop over to the archive one more time. We're also going to work on, of course, speeding this up quite a bit, maybe get a dedicated server for it. So if you're in the knowledge base and you don't see the information you're looking for, you should be able to click right here and actually submit a new request for a new article, which we'll then add to the knowledge base. This app is going to bring a lot of stuff together. It's going to give you a lot of abilities. Soon you'll be able to access your support tickets and maybe even your print log from your machine directly within the app. For now, this is just a quick overview, but we'll keep you posted as the latest features become available. And hopefully this helps take us into a brand new phase with KatanaDTG and our level of communication with our customers.